Hello children, this is 5th standard maths. Chapter name is factors and multiples. Next here, prime and composite number. The number that have only two factor 1 and the number itself are called the prime number. The number which have only two factor 1 and the number itself. And the other than prime number are called composite number. So introduction of this part and recall exercises are completed. Now exercise 3. Now, exercise 3.1, page number is 32 children. List all prime number and composite number between 20 to 40. So, we have to list all prime number and composite number between 20 to 40. So, all prime numbers between 20 to 40. Prime numbers means the number which multiply the factor only two factor. For example, one is a prime, one is another a prime number, not composite number. So, prime number means which are only two factors. 2 is a prime number, yes, because 1 2s are 2, 1 is a common number factor for all number and the number itself 2 ones are 2. 3 is a prime number, yes, 3 is a prime number because 3 ones are 3, 1 3 is a 3, only two factors. 4 is a prime number, no, 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 ones are 4. More than two factors, so it is a composite number. Other than prime number are composite number. 4 is a prime number, okay, no, composite number. 5 is a prime number, yes, 5 is a prime number because 1 5 is a 5, 1 5 is a 5 and 5 ones are 5. 1 is a common factor and the number itself, which table, which number we are finding prime number. 1 5 is a 5 and 5 ones are, so 5 is a prime number. 6 is a prime number, no, because 6 ones are 6, 1 6 are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, more than two factors, so 6 is composite number. Other than prime numbers are composite number. 7 is a prime number, yes, because 1 7s are 7 and 7 ones are 7, only two factor, so it is a prime number. 8 is a prime number, no, so 8 is a composite number because 1 4s 1 8s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 8 ones are number itself. More than two factors are composite number, only two factors are prime number. Now we have to write the prime numbers between 20 to 40. So 20 is a prime number, no, 20 is a not prime number because 20 ones are 20, 1 20 is a 1 is a common and 4 5 is a 5 4 is a 20 is a composite number. Between 20 to 40 means we have to check next number. Okay, 20 is not a composite number and 21 is a prime number. No, 21 means 3 sevens are 7 threes are 1 21 are 21 ones are 4 factors are. 22 is a prime number. 22 ones are 1 22 are 11 22s are 11 twos are 22, so more than two factor of 23, yes, 23 ones are number itself and 1 is a common factor, 1 23 is a 24, no, because 24 means 24 is a composite number and 22 also composite number. Here 21 also composite number. Other than prime numbers are composite number. And 24 is not a prime number, 24 is a composite number. 25 5 5 is a 25, 1 25 is a 25 ones are more than two factors, so a composite number. 26, no, 26 divided by 2 means 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 3s are, yes. 26 is not prime number because 26 is 26 ones are 26, 1 26 are 26, 1 a common, 1 is a common and the number itself, and 13 twos are 26, so it is a composite number more than two factor. 27 is a prime number, no, because 27 means 3 1 27s are 1 is a common and 27 ones are the number itself and 3 9s are 27, 9 3s are 27, so it is a composite number. More than two factor means it is a composite number. 28 is a prime number, no, 28 is a composite number because 28 ones are 1 28s are then 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are more than 3 two factor are composite number. 29 is a prime number, 29 ones are 29, 1 29s are 29 and 30 is a composite number because more than two factor. 31 is a prime number because 31 ones are 1 31s are. 32 is a composite number more than two factors and 33 also composite number because more than two factor. 11 3s are 33 ones are 1 threes are. 34 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. 35, it is a composite number. 5 sevens are, 7 fives are, 35 ones are, 1 35 are more than. 36 is not a prime number, composite number. 37 is a prime number. Okay. These are prime numbers between 20 to 40, and other than prime number, you can write other than prime number, all are composite number. Other than prime number, all are composite number. Next is co-prime number. Co-prime number means if any two numbers, only one common factor, means there is a co-prime number. If any two numbers, after comparing any two number, only one is a common factor, one common factor, then it is a co-prime number. Now here B main, A main, find the which of these are co-prime. Co-prime means any only one common factor, then it is a co-prime number. After comparing these two numbers between 24 and 32, any one common factor is there, then it is a co-prime number. 18 and 12, if only one common factor means, then it is a prime number. We have to check. Prime 24 and 32. We have to check 24 and 32 number. What is the prime factor of 24 and 32? 24 and 32 children. 24 and 32. What are the factor of 2? Then 1 is a common factor. 1 is a common factor. Then 3 8s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Okay. 12 ones, 12 twos are. And what is the factor of 1 is a common factor? 2 also. 2 6 and 4. 8. Then any other number? 16. Okay. Factor of 24 is 1 2 3 8 12 and 32 1 2 4 8. And common factor 1 2 8 are common factors. So many common factors are. After comparing two numbers, many common factors are there. So this is not a co-prime number. Co-prime means after comparing any two numbers, only one common factor should be there. Then it is a common, then co-prime. Next is 89. So this is not prime number. 24 and 32 is not a co-prime number. Now we have to check 89 12 whether the number is a co-prime or not. Now 89 12. Factors of 18. 1 is a common factor. Then 2 9s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. And 18 1s are 18. And 6 3s are 18. Here 12 factors are 1 2s are, then 2 6s are, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, then 5 no 6 2s are 12, 6 also factor, then 7 8 9, okay, 12 ones are 12. Many factors are there. And any common factor, 1 is here also, so 1 is a common factor, 2 is here and here also 2 we have, then 6 common factor. 3 is a common factor. So many common factors are there. After comparing two numbers, many common factors are there. So this is not a co-prime number. 18 and 12 are not co-prime number. Now we have to check third one. 8 and 24 whether it is a co-prime. Co-prime means only one common factor. Then it is a co-prime number. Now third question, 8 and 21. We have to check the co-prime of this number 8 and 21. First check the factors of this number. 8 factors of 8. 1 is a common factor for all number. 2 4s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Then 8 1s are 8. 21. 1 is a common factor. 2 it will not divide. 2 was at 21 no. And 3 7s are 21. And then 4 5 6 21 and 7. So here factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8 and factors of 21 are 1, 3, 21. Any common factor? Yes, only one common factor, then this is a co-prime number. Only one common factor means that is a co-prime number. Only one common factor means it is a co-prime. One is a common number factor and here also one is a common factor. Only one common factor, then it is a co-prime number. Next question, here co-prime over, third one over, now ninth one, 9, 8, third one is a co-prime number. Now we have to check ninth one. Ninth one also I think co-prime, we'll check. Factors of 9, 9, 16. Factors of 9, 9, 16 we have to check it. What are the factors of 9 and 16? Factors means factors of 9 are 1 is a common factor, 3 3 is a 9, 9 1s are 9. 16, 1 is a common factor, 2 3 is a 6, 2 8 is a 16, 3 no, 4 2 4 4 is 16, 5 no 6 8, then 16 1s are 16. Okay. So any common factors? Yes, 1 is a common factor. Here also only 1 is a common factor. Then this is a co-prime number. Only 1 is a common factor. After comparing any two number, only 1 is a common factor. Then the number is a co-prime number. So third question, 8 and 21 is a co-prime number and 21, 9 and 16 also co-prime number. These two numbers are co-prime number. Now B main. Find the prime factors. Find the prime factors. That is 6. Prime factors means we have to factorize only with the prime numbers. Now B main, first question, find the prime factor. We have to factorize and check the value. 36. So in which tables? 6 also it will multiply, children. 6 6 are 36. But whether we can take 6? No, because 6 is not a prime number. So we have to divide or factorize only with the prime number. So 1 is not another prime nor composite number. So 2 is a prime number. Prime number means which have only two factors. 2 ones are, or 3 also we can check, children. Or 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Again with 2, 2 9s are 18 and 9 you will multiply 3. 2, 3 are prime numbers. Now prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, we can multiply. So this is the answer, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Because 36 it will divide with 6 ones are tables, it multiply with 6 ones are, but we can't take 6 prime factor. We have to take one, divide only with the prime numbers. Next is 64, second one, we have to find the factorization only with the prime numbers. Okay, 64 will divide 8 also we can try, but 8 is not a prime number. So first try with 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then again it will divide with 2 ones are tables, 2 ones are 2, 1 remainder, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. It will multiply, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Factors are, prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are with 2 only. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. 6 6. Here we can 6 here. 2 6 are 12. Here we can try with other number also. Okay. Next question, third one, 75. You have to find the factors. So here last number are 5, no? So it will multiply with 5. And 5 is a prime number only. Okay. 5 ones are 5. 2 carry. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, no? 2 carry. 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5. 2 carry. 5 5s are 25. Again it will multiply 5. 5 3 is a 15. So factors are 5 into 5 into 3, or we can get 3 into 5 into 5. We can try here also with 3. Okay. So factors are 5 into 5 into 3. Next, fourth one, 91. We have to find the prime factor. So which number we can divide? Check the last number. 1. 1 means in tables, which tables we get last in ones place 1. 9 nines are 81, but 9 is not a prime number and it will not divide, I think. Multiply with 91. It is not a multiple. Then which tables? 3 also. 3 sevens are 21 now. So we can first try with 3 and check, children. 3 3s are 9. No, 3 3s are 9, 1 remainder, not with 3. Then any other tables? 3 sevens are 21, no? So we can try with 7 also. 7 ones are 7, remainder is 6 7 8 3. Here 9. 7 ones are 7, so remainder is 3. 6 7 8 means 3. 2 8 9. 7 is there, so 8 9 means 2. 3 how much are 21? 3 21. 7 how much are 21? 7. 3 is a 21. Then 13 will multiply. 13 ones are 13. So prime factors are 17, 7 and 13. So we have to factorize only with the prime number. 7 is a prime number and 13 is also a prime number. Next is 112. 112 we have to check. So 112 last number, even number. So we have to check even number, means it will divide with 2 ones are tables. 11. 2 how much are nearer to 11? 2 5s are 10, that is a nearer one. So 1 remainder. 12 now. 2 6 are 12. Now last number again 6 6 is a even number, so it will divide with 2 ones are tables. So for consider 5. 2 how much are nearer to 5? Nearer one means 2 2s are 4, that is a nearer one. 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 5 means 1 is a remainder. Now together is a 16. 2 how much are 16? 2 8s are 16. And it will last number even numbers 8, then it will divide with 2 ones are tables. 2 ones are 2. 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are 8. Again we can consider 2 or 7. 2 sevens are 14 and 7 ones are 7. We want only prime numbers, children. Factorize only with the prime number. So prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. How many times? 4 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 and 7. This is the answer. Next is sixth one, 120. 120 we have to factorize now. So here last number 0 means here 0, so it will divide with 2 ones are tables, even numbers. No? 2 6 12. So exactly it will divide. 2 6 are 12 and 0 as it is. And 60 we can consider, we can divide with 2 or 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and that 0 as it is. And 30 will divide with 3. 3 is a prime number. 3 10s are 30. Now whether we can take 10 ones are 10, no, because 10 is not a prime number. So any prime number it will divide. Which prime number it will divide? 5. 5 2s are 10. Both are prime number and 2 ones are 2. Now prime factors are 2, 2, 3, 5, 2. Wow. So prime factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. This is the answer. Now next C main, construct factor tree for 24. Factor tree means 40. 48 is given. So 48 which tables we have multiply? 2 40, 40 24 2s are, that is a factor tree. Continue factorizing until the factors are prime in the factor tree, means we have to find the continue with the prime factor. Now we did factorization. 60 factorization to 230s are, then 215s are, like that. Same way we can construct a factor tree. This is called a factor tree. Prime factors of a number can also be found by factorizing in pictorial form. This is called a pictorial form or a factor tree. Here continue factorizing until all factors are prime. until all factors are here 2 is a prime number. After finding 24 2s are 24 is not a prime number. 2 2s are 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 3 until we find the factorization until we get the prime number. So factors of 48 is 2 into 24. Next, consider factor tree 4. Factor tree means here we have to find the factor tree, that is 36. 36. So in which tables 36 will multiply? 36 means 6. Sorry, question is 24, not 36. So factor tree to 24. So how much factor tree? 24 means 12 2s are 24. 12 is a prime number, you can stop there. And 2 how much? Here again 12 will multiply which tables? 6 2s are 12. Then 3 2s are 12. Okay, these are factor 3. 2, 12, 6, 2, 2, 3. Splitting the number one by one, splitting 24. Split the number 12 2s are 24. It multiples of 24 is 12 2s are. 2 is a prime factor. Stop there. No need to once again factorize there. Then 12. Again split the 12. 12 in which table? 6 2s are 12. So 6 into 2. Then 2 is a prime number. No? Take this number, composite number. Again 2 3 is a 6. Now next is construct a factor 3 for 72. 72 means in which table? Split the number. In which table? Factors of 72 is 1 factor 12, 6 are 72. Both are composite number. Again find the factors of 12. Which factors of 12 means 3 4s are 12. Then find the factors of 6. 3 2s are 6. Okay, this is prime number, prime number, prime number. 4 is a composite number. Again find the factor. 2 2s are 4. These are factors, children. Yeah, 72 we are split it into 12 6 are 72, and again 12 is 3 4s are 12. 6 we can write 3 2s are 6, and 4 we can write 2 2s are 4. These are factors. Next, factors of construct factor tree for 96. 96 in which tables 96 will multiply? Factors of 96 means 32 3s is 96. 32 3s is 96. So 32 into 3 is a factor. 32 3s is 96. Now 3 is a prime number, leave that as it is. Now 32 simplify. Again split the number. In which tables? 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Again 8 is a composite number, 4 is a composite number. Again we can convert into 4 2s are 8. And this is 4 also composite number. Which tables it multiply? 2 2s are 4. 2 is a prime number. Again 4 is composite number, 2 is a prime number. Make it prime number. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 96 split in 32 3s are 96. That is one branch. Then 32 split this 32. 8 4s are these two branch factors. 8 4s are 32. 8 and 4 are composite number. Again split it, means factors of 8. 4 2s are 8. Then 4 also composite number. 2 2s are 4. Then split 4. 4 is a composite number. 2 2s are 4. Next is 120. Factors of 120 we have to find. In which tables? 12 10s are 120. 12 and 10 is factors of 120. Which tables it multiply? 12 10s are. Again split the 12. In which table 12 will multiply? 6 2s are 12. Okay, then split this number because composite number. 10 which tables? 5 2s are 10. So 5 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, you can leave it there. Here 6 and 2, 6 is a composite number, 2 is a prime number. Split 6 now. 3 2s are 6. This is a factor, children. Factor 3. Okay, 120 is there. 12 tens are 120. Then we have simplified 12. 12 is 6 2s are 12. Factors of 12 is 6 2s are 12. Or we can take 4 3s are 12 also. Any other factor also we can consider. Here 10 1s are 10 also we can consider. Or 5 2s are 10. And 6 2. So 3 2s are 6. Now, highest common factor. The highest common factor HCF or a greatest common divisor GCD. So, highest common factor or greatest common divisor are one and the same. Is a greatest number which divides two or more number without a remainder. Find the HCF of 12 and 16 is here. Here two methods are there. One is finding with the, there is three methods. One is the finding with the factors of all factors of numbers. Factors of 12 and factors of 16. Factors of each number. Then finding the highest common factor. Then one more method, that is a prime factorization method. Factorizing each 44, 60, 36 is given. Finding the factors. Factorizing each with the prime numbers. These are prime numbers. Okay, factorizing with prime numbers. Now, the factors of 12 and 16. We have to find all factors of 12. Means in which table it multiply. 12 multiples of 12. 1 to 1 12s are 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 ones are the number itself. 1 9 12. The number itself is a common for all number. Okay, how many factors? Still 12. Then factors of 16. Finding factors of each number. Factors of 16 is 1 16s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16, then 8 2s are 16. So 8 is also factor and 16 ones are 16. These are factors of 16. Then common factors are 12 and 16 are. From these two factors, which is common, one is in both the side and 2 is in both the side and 4 is in both the sides. So 1 2 4 are common factor. The highest common factor is in this 4. Highest. HCF means highest common factor. Finding factors of each number. Then which is the highest common factor, that is HCF. This is a factorizing method. Then finding the prime factorization method. Use the division method to find the prime factor. Use the division method. Find the 44 division method. Value of 60 and 36 with the prime numbers. Try to make the prime numbers. Okay, 244s are 222s are 44. Factorize, divide, division method. Okay, then factors of 44 is 2 into 2 into 11, and factors of 16 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and prime factors of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now, which is common here? 2 and 2 is common. Now find the product of common prime factor to get the HCF. Multiply 2 into 2, that is HCF is 4. Okay, there is two methods. One is a finding factors of each number, then highest, which is the highest common factor, that is HCF. Another one is a prime factorization method. Here we have to find the factors by division method. Then write the factors of each number with the division method, which is common one. Multiply that. That is a HCF of highest common factor. Now exercise 3.2. Find the HCF by finding all factors. Finding all factors means this method. The factors of each number we have to try. Now find the HCF by finding all factors. 24 and 36 is the question. The factor of 24, then the factors of 36. So 124s are 24. Which tables it multiply? 24. 124s are 24 and 2 12s are 24. So 12 is a factor. 2 is a factor. Then 3 8s are 24. Then 4 6s are 24 and 6 4s are 24. So 6 also factor. Then 8 fours are 8 threes are 24, 12 twos are 24, and 24 ones are 12 twos are 24, 12 twos are 25, and 24 ones are 24. Okay. Here factors of 36. Factors of 36 is 136 are 36. Okay, 136 are 36. Then 2. So factors of 36, 18 twos are 36. 8, so 18 twos are means 286. 18s are. Okay, 1, 2, 2 18s are. 3 12s are. 12 threes are 36, no? 12 threes are 36. So 3 12s also a factor. Then 4 9s are. 6 6 are 36 and 9 4s are 36. So 9 also factor. 4 is already written. 12 3s are 36. 3 is already written. So 12 3s are 36. Then which number? 36 ones are 36. These are factors of factors means what, children? Factors of 24 means we have to find 2 12s are 24. So 2 is also factor, 12 also factor. 3 8s are. So 3 is also factor, 8 also factor of 24. And okay, and 6 4s are 24. 6 is also factor, 4 is also factor. Then factors of 36 means 1 36 are, 18 12s are, then 3 18 also factor. Okay, 3 12s of 12 3s are 36, no? So 12 also factor, 3 also factor. 4 9s are 36. So 4 also factor, 9 also factor. 12 3s are 36. 3 also factor, 12 also factor. So that we are written 1 36 are, 2 18s are or 18 2s are, 3 12s are or 12 3s are, and 4 9s are, 6 6 are, 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36, 36 ones are 36, and 18 ones are 18. These are factors of. Now here factors of 24 and factors of 24 and factors of 36 are written. Now write the which is a common factor in this. Check any common factors. Yes, 1 is common, 1 is a common factor, and 2 is also common, 3 is also common factor, 4 is also common. Common means it is in a both the number, both the sides. 6 is also. Yes, 6 is also common, both the side, and 12 also common. Okay, 12 also common factor. From write the common factor now. Common factors. What are the common factor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So in this, which is the highest common factor? From this, which is the highest common? 12 is the highest common. So therefore HCF is 12. Common factor, writing all factors of each number. Factors of 36 is written. Then common factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. It is in a both the side. 1 in both the number, comma 2 in both the side, 3 in both the side, 4 in both the side, 6 in both the side, and 2 are in both the side. So common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. HCF is 12, highest common factor. This is the answer, children. Now here, second question, factors of 20 and factors of 30. We have to find the HCF of 20 and 30. So we have to find the factor of each number, that is factor of 20, then factor of 30. Factor of 20 mean in which tables it multiply 20. 1 20 is a 20, then 2 10s are 20 and 3 ones are in 3 ones are tables 20, we get 20, no, not in 3 ones are. And 4, yes, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 6 ones are tables, it will not multiply, and 7 also, and 8 ones are tables, where we get 10 28, how much are 20, no, then 9, no, then 10, yes, 10 twos are 20, then the number itself 21s are 20. Then write the factors of 30, in which tables 30 will multiply, divide. 31s are 30, then 130s are, first write the 130s are 30, then any other number, 2 ones are tables, 2 ones are 2, 15 twos are 30, no, so 2 ones are 2 15s are 30, and 3 10s are 30, then 4 ones are tables, it multiply, no, then 5 ones are 5, 6 are 30, so 6 5s are 30, 6 also factor, 7 ones are tables, we get 7 7 5s are 35, no, 8, no, 9, it will not multiply, and 10 3s are 30, and 31s are 30. Now write the common factor. Now common factor, 1 is a common in both the number, 2 is common in both the sign, and 3 no, 4 no, 5 is a common in both the side, 6 is not common, 10 is a common in both the side. So write the common factors. 1 is common in both the side, 2 is common in both the side, 5 is common in both the side, and 10 is common in both the side. Therefore highest common factor from this, which is highest common factor, 10. So answer is HCF is 10. Now third question, find the HCF 25 and 40. Finding factors of each number, we have to find the all factors. So in this method only we have to try. So factors of each number means factors of 25 and factors of 40. Factor of 25 means in which tables 25 will multiply. Now we have to write the factors of 25. 1 25 is a 25, so 1 is a factor. Then 2 3 no, 4 it will not multiply, 4 ones are tables, and 5 ones are table, 5 5 is a 25, 5, so 5 is a factor, and 6 ones are tables, where we get 25, 6 numbers are 25, no, 7 also not, the 8 9 10, then 25 ones are 25, only 3 factor, 1 25 is a 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 25 ones are 25. Then factors of 40, 1 40 is a 40, 1 is a common factor, then 2 20 is a 40, 2 20 is a 40, then 3 ones are it multiply, 3 how much are 40, no, then 4 ones are, yes, 4 10s are 40, so it will multiply with the 4 ones are tables, and 5 ones are 5 8s are 40, so 5 also a factor of, and 6 not, 7 also not, 8 5s are 40, so 8 is a factor, then 9 ones are, no, in which 9 how much are 40, no, not with the 9, then 10, yes, 10 fours are 40, okay, these are factor, then the number itself 41s are 40, and 20 also, 22s are 40, no, then any common factors in this, any common factors, yes, in both the side 1 is there, so 1 is a common factor, and 5 in both the side 5 is there, okay, therefore common factor is 1 and 5. Therefore HCF equal highest common factor, which is the highest common factor 5. From this common factor 5 is the highest common, so HCF of 25 and 40 is 5. Now find the HCF 14 21 28. Finding all factor, find the HCF by finding all factors. So first one, factor of 14, each number, factor of each number we have to find. Factors of 14, which tables it multiply 14, 1 14s are 14, then 2 how much are 2 7s are 14, 2 also factor, and 7 2s are 14. So 1 14s are 14, 2 7s are 14, and 7 2s are 14. These are factors of 14. Next, factors of 21. 1 21s are 21. The next 3 sevens are 21. Then 7 threes are 21. 3 sevens are 21. So 3 is also factor, and 7 threes are 21 means 7 also factor. In ones 121s are 21, and 3 how much are 21? 3 sevens are. So 3 is a factor. 7 how much are 21? 7 threes are. So 7 is a factor. In which tables we get 21. Factor of 28. Which tables it multiplied? Factor of 28 means 1 is a common for all numbers. So 1 is a factor. Then 2 14s are 14 twos are 28. 2 14s are. Then 4 sevens are 28. 7 4s are 28. That is also factor. 14 twos are 28, and 28 ones are 28. These are factors. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. 1 28s are 28. 2 14s are 28. 4 7s are 4 is a factor, and 7 4s are. Then 14 2s are 28. The number itself 28 ones are 28. And now any common numbers in 3. In 3 1 is common in 3. Then any common numbers? Yes, 7 also common, children. 7 also common in 3 side. Therefore, common factors of 1 and 7. Therefore, highest common factor is 7. Highest common factor is 7. HCF is 7. HCF is 7. Now next question. Find the HCF by finding all factor. Fifth one. 45, 65, 75. We have to write the factors of each number now. Factors of 45. Then factors of 65. Factor of 75. Now write the factors of 45. 1 45 is a 45. Then 5 9s are 45. So 9 also factor. 9 5 is a 45. Then factors 45 ones are 45. Number itself. Factor of 65. 1 65 is a 65. Then 13 5s are 1 5s are 5 13s are 13 5s are, and 5 13s are 65, or 13 5s are 65, and 65 ones are number itself. Factors of 75 means which tables? 1 75 is a 75. 1 is a common for all number. Then 5 how much? 5 15s are 75. It means 15 5s are 75. So we can write 15. 5 15s are 75, or 15 5s are 75, and the number itself 75. Any common factor in here? Any common numbers? No, any common number is yes. In 3, all 3. 1 is a common and 5 is common. Any other common numbers? No. Common factors 1 and 5. Therefore, HCF is 5. HCF is 5. Now, find the HCF by finding all factors. Sixth question. 22, 33, 44. Now we have to find the factors of each number. Factor of 22, factor of 33, factors of 44. What is the factor of 22? 22 means 1, 22, 1, 22s are 22. Then 2 11s are 22. So 11 also, 11, 2 11s are 22, or 11 2s are 22. 2 ones are tables also it multiply, and 11 ones are tables also it multiply. Then 20, the number itself, which tables it multiply? 22 ones are 22. Now 33, in which tables it multiply? 1 is a common for all number, and 2 ones are it multiply. 2 how much are 33? No, not 4. No, then 3 11s are 33. Then 11 3s are 33. Then the number itself. 33 ones are 33. Factors of 44. In which tables it multiply? 1 is common for all number, and 2 2s are 4. 2 22s are 2 is a factor. 2 2s are 2 22s are 44. Then 4 11s are 44. So 11 also factor. 1 44s are 2 22s are 4 11s are 44. 11 4s are 44, and 22 2s are 44. Then 44 the number itself. Any common factors here? Yes, 1 is common for 3 number. Then 2 is here, but not here. 11 is a common. 11 is common in 3 place. Okay, 11 is common for 3 place. So which is a common factor? 1, 9, 11. Therefore HCF equal highest common 1 and 11, which is highest? 11. HCF is 11. Highest common factor is 11. Next, B main. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. With the help of division method, 49 and 70. Now we have to divide this with the tables, okay? But number should be prime number. Prime factorization means try to write the divide the number with the prime factorization. Now here dividing. So which tables 49 will multiply 7. So divide 49 with 7. There is a division method. Divide 49 with 7. 7, how much of 49? It is like just like a division, children. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 is also a prime number. Okay, 7 and 7. So we can stop till here because both the numbers are prime number. We have to divide only with the prime number. And 77, in which tables it multiply? 7 also or 11. 11 sevens are 77. 11 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. Prime number means which have only two factors. Factors means which has to multiply only with the two tables, the number itself and the one is a common number. So now 49 factors of 49 are 7 into 7. Factors of 49 is 7 into 7. Then factor of 11 77, sorry, factor of 77 is, factor of 49 is 7 into 7, prime factorization. Prime factor of 77 is 11 into 7. Which is common is there? So highest common factor, HCF equal highest common factor, which is the highest common factor 7. So answer is 7. Highest common factor is 7. Here we are dividing number with the prime number. Okay, 49 with the 7. 7 on the tables. It multiply with 7 on the tables. 7 is a prime number. 7 sevens are 49. 77 we are dividing with 11. 11 sevens are 77 and 11 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Means here also 7 on the 7 means both are prime number. Prime factor of 49 is 7 into 7. Prime factor of 77 is 11 into 7. Then HCF, highest common factor is 7. Now next question, find the factorization with the HCF by prime factorization. Find the HCF by prime factorization. Question is 20 and 48. So we have to divide with the prime number. So in which tables? 10 twos are 20. It is multiplied with 10 ones are tables, but 10 is not a prime number. So we can't take 10. But 2 is a prime number, so we can consider 2 tens. The outside number should be prime number. That is a prime factorization. So 2 tens we can take 2 tens, but outside number should be prime number. 10 is a composite number. Now you know what is prime number, what is composite number, children. Now 10 which tables it will multiply? 5 twos are 10, means which tables divide? 5 twos are 10 or 2 fives are 10. So we can take outside 2 or 5 because 2 is also prime number, 5 also prime number. 2 fives are 10. Then 5 ones are 5. Now prime factorization of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. Prime factor of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Then find the factor of 48. Which tables it multiply? 12 4s are 48, but 12 is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number, so we can't take these tables. So we can't take, outside number should be prime number divisor. So 2 divided with 2. 2 is a prime number. So here 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now again 12 2s are 24, but 12 is not a prime number, so we can't take 2 only. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then here this number, outside number should be prime number, children. 12 which tables it will multiply? 4 3s are 12, but 4 is not a prime number. We can write 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Then 2 2s are 4. It means 2 1s are 2. Now prime factor of 48. Prime factor of 48 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. That we have to write. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 3, 2 into 2. Now, which is a common for highest common factor? Highest common. 2 is common in both the side and 2 is again common in both the side. No. Highest common means we have to multiply here. 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. HCF is 4. You have to multiply the common factors. In finding each factors, there we are took only highest number. Common factor, highest number. Here you have to take the numbers and multiply. Then that is become prime factorization, means we have to write the common factors and multiply. That is the highest common factor in prime factorization method. HCF is 4. Now next question, children. 40 and 56. 40 and 56 we have to find HCF with the help of prime factorization method. 40 and 56. So 40 is written here, 56 also written. 40, in which tables 40 will multiply? 4 tens are 40, but 4 is not a prime number, 10 is not a prime number. These are composite number. We want only prime number at outside divisor. So we can divide 2, 2 is a prime number. 2 2s are 4, divide with 2 children. 2 is a divisor now. 2 2s are 4 and 0 as it is. Again it will multiply with 20 ones are also 20, but we want only prime number. So we can take 2 outside. 2 tens are 20. Again 10 ones are we can try, but we want only prime number. 5 twos are 10 we can try because 5 is a prime number and 2 ones are 2. Then factorize this prime 56, divide with tables. Here 2, because last digit 6 is an even number. So when last digit is even number, we can divide with 2 ones are tables. 2 twos are 4. Nearer to 5 is 2 twos are 4. So 1 remainder. Now together is 16. 2 8s are 16. Again we can try with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Means it is a division. Again we can divide with 2 ones are tables. 2 7s are 14. And 7 will multiply with 7 ones are tables. 7 is a prime number. Okay, we want only prime factors. It is a factorization. Now write the prime factor of 40. What are the prime factor of 40? 2 into 2 into 5 into 2. 2 into 2 into 5 into 2. Then prime factor of 56. What are the prime factor of 56? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Therefore, HCF. Therefore, now HCF, which is a common number here, which is a common factor that we have to check. So 2 is common in both the place. Again 2 is common in both the place. Then any common numbers? 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2, 3 times 2 are there, children. So here 2 into 2, 3 times are there into 7. So which is common here? Again 2 is common in both the side. 2 common in 2 into 2 into 2. So what is the HCF now? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. HCF is 8. Finding factors of each number with the prime factorization division method, and the outside number should be prime numbers. When you are dividing, the outside number should be prime number. Means in which tables we are dividing, the number should be prime number. Then write the factors of each number, which is a common factor you have to multiply. Now fourth question, find the HCF by prime factorization. Question is 72 and 90. Now find the factor with the division method. So which tables we can try? 2 is because last number 2 even numbers. When the last digit are even numbers, we can divide with 2 ones are tables. Nearer to 7 is 2 3 is a 6, that is a nearer to 7. So 1 remainder now together is 12. 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12 and 36. 36 it will multiply 12 ones are tables, but we can't take 12 outside. We want only prime number. Again we can try 36 with 3 ones are tables or 2 ones are tables. 2 ones are 2, 1 remainder. So together it becomes 16. 2 8s are 16. Again we can try with 9, but 9 is not a prime number. 9 2s are 18, but outside number we always want a prime number because it is a prime factorization. 2 9s are 18. 2 is a prime number. Then 9 will multiply 3 ones are tables. 3 3s are 9. Means 3 ones are 3. Here all are prime numbers. Then find the factor of 90. Which tables? 10 ones are tables also it multiply 90, but we want only prime number outside. So write 3. 3 3s are 9 and 0 divide. Means we are dividing with 3. Again 30 will multiply 3 ones are tables. 3 is a prime number. 3 10s are 30. And 10 will multiply 2 or 5 ones are tables. 2 5s are 10. 5 ones are 5. So these are a factor. Now write the prime factorization of 72. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That we have to write. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then prime factor of 90. 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. That we have to write here. Prime factor of 90 is 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Now highest common factor, which is the highest common factor, common factors. Common factor we have to check. 2 is common here. Okay, 2 anywhere we can take. 2 is common here. And 3 is common in both the place. 3 is common in both the place. Okay, 2, 3, 3. In common in 2 lines. So common factors are 2 into, common factors are 2 into 3 into 2. 3 into 3. Common factors, multiply the common factors. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 is common in both the side. 3 is common in both the side. 3 is common in both the side. Multiply that number. 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore HCF is 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. HCF is highest common factor is 18. We are taking only prime number. That's why we have to multiply here. Now next question, fifth one. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. 14, 28, 56. 14 you divide with the tables, but the outside number should be prime number. 2 7s are 14, or here we can take 7 also because 7 is a prime number. And 7 1s are 7. And 28, 14 also, 14 2s also we can divide, but 14 is a not prime number, so we can divide with 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. And 14 it multiply with 2 or 7 ones are 2 7s are 14. Then 7 multiply with 7 ones are table, so 7 ones are 7. 56. Here we want a prime number, so consider 2 outside. 2 2s are 4. 1 nearer to 5 is 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder, then a 16 together, so 2 8s are 16. Again it multiply 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Again 14 in multiplying 2 1s are tables, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. Means yeah, outside we want only prime number. Try to divide only with the prime number. Therefore prime factors of 14, 2 into 7, 2 into 7. Then prime factor of 28, 2 into 2 into 7, 2 into 2 into 7. Then prime factor of 56. Prime factor of 56 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 3 times 2, 2, 7. Now we have to check which is a common factor. Now we have to write which is a common factor in this. Which is a common factor? 2 is common in 3 place. Then 7 in common in 3 place. 3 side. So common factor are 2 into 7. Therefore HCF is 2 7s are 14. HCF is 14.